Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make peanut butter cookies. They're really good. Let's go. Alright, first I'll get a mixing bowl with a sifter and you put a 1.5 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Right there. And then you put a 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So, put the baking powder. And then you just sift this in the bowl. And now you whisk the flour. Now we just put this aside. Then in a one mixing bowl, I like to use a stand mixer with pedal attachment. So what you need is 1/2 cup of butter that I want to soften into room temperature. I put a 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. And now just cream this together until it's all light and fluffy. So now that this is nice, light, and fluffy, now you add in 1 cup of smooth peanut butter. Now mix this in. And then you add 1 large egg that I just put in here. And now 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And now we mix this in. Till it's just combined. And now our roast beef. You get the dry ingredients that add a swelling. Alright, that's mixed in perfectly. Now let's get on to the next part. Alright, now you preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then get a good sized baking tray. I greased it and put some parchment paper on it, which will be now stick. Now what I like to do is use this kind of tool so that way I get the same amount. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I just scoop it, put it in my hand, and then roll it into a ball. Just like that. Then you place it, and then you keep repeating until all the dough are gone. And then once I bring all the dough out, I'll show you how to flatten them. Alright, so now the flatten right now. Now you use a fork, but the way I like to do it is you get a small bowl of sugar, dip a fork in, and then flatten them like this. Yeah, I actually learned this when I was in Cuyahoga Valley Career Center. Yeah, this is a really awesome way, and you can also sprinkle some sugar on top if you like. So I'm gonna finish flattening it, then I'll be right back. So you see, you can also sprinkle some sugar on top if you like. Now you put this in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then we'll see how it goes. Oh, beautiful. Now you just leave these to cool for about 5 minutes or so before you take them off, and then you can start eating them. Oh, this is so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for peanut butter cookies. Oh, you have no idea how good they smell. Let's try them. So soft and chewy. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching my new recipe on this channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.